Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this granny square of multiple colors. Get the first color you want to use and make a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch back into the very first chain and you'll have created a circle, and your next set of stitches will be made inside that circle. So chain 3, this will count as your first double crochet stitch, and then you'll make another 2 double crochet stitches into that circle. Once you made your 2 double crochet stitches, you will be chaining 2 to make a corner space, and then we'll make another 3 double crochet stitches. So 1, 2 and 3, and then after that do another chain 2 to make another corner and another 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 2 again and 3 double crochet stitches, and all the stitches are going into that same chain 4 circle what you created originally. So once you've done these ones, we'll make another chain 2 and slip stitch on the top of that first chain 3 just to finish off the first round. Fast enough and cut your yarn. This is the first round of your granny square. You can see that it has 4 corners. Now we turn the work around for the next round. You don't have to turn your work, but I find that you get a better corners if you do. Get your new colour and make a slip stitch, and we will be making a standing double crochet to start the new round. So yarn over, go into a chain 2 corners what you made, and then carry on, finish your double crochet stitch as you would do normally, and that's your first stitch done. So you'll make another 2 double crochet stitches, and you will be working straight into the next corner space, making 3 double crochet stitches first, then chain 2 to create a new corner, and then another 3 double crochet stitches. Go straight into the next corner and repeat the same 3 double crochet stitches, chain 2 and another 3 double crochet stitches, and this is how you will be working all the way around the second round. When you get to your last corner stitch, you will make 3 double crochet stitches, but you've already made the 3 there, so you just do the 3 double crochet stitches, chain 2 and then slip stitch on the top of that standing double crochet you made earlier. Fast enough for second round. Now you'll see that your granny square will start to grow. We'll get the next colour and make a slip knot and start again with a standing double crochet stitch into one of the corners. So go into any of the corner stitches, doesn't matter which one, make your standing double crochet and another 2 double crochet stitches. And the next set of 3 double crochet stitches will go straight into the next space between the clusters and the round below, so you don't have to chain anything in between those. And then again go into your next corner without making any chains in between. Make your 3 double crochet stitches and then chain 2 for the corner, and then again another 3 double crochet stitches into that same space below. Then you skip into the next space between the 2 clusters and make 3 double crochet stitches there, and then skipping again into the corner, and you will do the corner one will be 3 double crochets, chain 2 and another 3 double crochet stitches. You'll just keep repeating this all the way around your square until you get back to the beginning, and then you'll make your final 3 double crochet stitches because you already got 3 there, and then chain 2 and slip stitch into that first standing double crochet to finish off. There are other ways of making granny squares. You can chain 3 in the corners if you like, if you prefer that, but I like doing it this way. And you can just keep going, turning your square around, adding new colours, and you can make an infinite granny square. Thank you for watching.